Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do trigonometry part 2. If you haven't gone through with my part 1, the link is given in the description. In today's class, we'll solve some very important questions from exercise 17. So without further delay, let's start today's class. So hello students. So I think so you have gone through with my part 1 and you know some of the formulas, yeah? So here we have a question. Find the figure given below. Find the value of, so we have to find the value of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. As you know that it's about the triangle, yeah? So we have a right angle triangle. You can see PMO, we have a right angle triangle. So angle is theta is given. So already I have told you that opposite of 90 degree is always your hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is my 15 and opposite of theta is my perpendicular and this will be your base. So from figure what you have? So from figure, so what we are doing is that we are taking for the angle theta. So this will take for angle theta. Okay, so you will be clear in the next sum. Okay, why we are taking this for angle theta. So for angle theta, so my this opposite is your perpendicular, yeah? So perpendicular is my question mark, so I don't have perpendicular. And what is my base? Base is my 12 and already I have told you this is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is how much? We have 15. Okay, hope so you got it this. So what happened in this is that we have to find the value of P, perpendicular. So always remember that the opposite of 90 degree is your hypotenuse. Always it will be hypotenuse, but perpendicular and base changes. So opposite of angle, this will be your perpendicular. If I'll take this angle P, this will be your perpendicular, but they had given us theta. From where we'll know this? From here, theta, 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 theta. Okay, so they had given us theta, so opposite of this will be your perpendicular. So perpendicular is my PM. Okay, now what you have to do is that we have to find the value of P. So to find the value of P, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what you'll have by Pythagoras theorem is that you know the formula. What is the formula? H square equals to P square plus B square. So this is your formula. Okay, now what you'll do, just we'll put the value. So H is how much? 15. So this will be your 15 square. So P is, P I don't have, so I'll write P square only, plus B is how much? So it's your 12 square. So 15 square. So 15 square is your, I'd make the video for multiplication. Okay, so easy it will be. So you can, the link will be given in the description, you can go through that. So it will be 225. So without doing raw fork, you can multiply, okay, after watching that video. So this will be a P square plus 12 it will be 144. Okay, now this 144 I'll take to the other side, so it will be 225 minus 144 equals to P square. Now I have to do minus, so it will be 5 minus 4 1 and 22 minus this is your 81 equals to P square. Now this square will go that side, so I can write this under root, what will be this, 81 equals to P. Okay, so what I'll give, therefore P is equal to, so as you know, therefore P is equal to, obviously it will be plus minus 9, so it will be your, will not take minus. Why will not take minus? Because it's your length, so length cannot be negative. Okay, so the perpendicular value you got, it's 9, so you got 9, so you'll write it here 9. Okay, so you got, so you'll write it 9 here, and you can write in the figure also, you can write 9. Okay, so I'll show you in a very simple way. Okay, if you'll do this way, it will be easy. Now what you, so we got all the value P, B and H. Now we have to find the value of, also what do you have? Number one we have sine theta. Okay, so you know the formula. Yes, what is the formula? Some people have, so people have means P by H. Okay, now we have to, so as you know that trigonometry is a relation, so you can see angle and the side relation. Okay, so this is only your trigonometry, so we have the relation between the angle and the side. So some people have, so how much is people? P is your 9 and what is my have is my 15 hypotenuse. Okay, so I think so this will get cancelled by 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So how much I got the answer? So I got 3 by 5. Hope so you are getting easy. Yeah, you are feeling it easy. But what you have to know, first you have to know the formula, and obviously Pythagoras theorem, because Pythagoras theorem is your for the right angle triangle. Now what you have number 2, I think this you can do yourself. Yeah, so what do you have? Cos theta. So cos theta formula is curly brown hair. So brown hair base by hypotenuse. So what is my base? Base is my 12 and hypotenuse is my 15. I think again it will get cancelled by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So how much I got? 4 by 5. Okay, so what we have number 3? Number 3 we have tan theta. Tan theta. So what is the formula? Turns permanently black. Okay, so what is the value of P? P is my 9. And what is the value of B? B is my 12. So again I think so it will get cancelled by 3 only. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So how much I got? 3 by 4. Now number 4 we have cot theta. Okay, so cot theta, as you know that cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So you can write directly reciprocal. Reciprocal will be 4 by 3. Okay, this is your fine. Directly also you can write, because you know that it's a cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, or you can use the formula reciprocal means, or you can do this way also. Reciprocal means it will be b by p. So what is the value of b? B is my 12, and what is the value of p? P is my 9. So it will get cancelled by 3 only. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So you can see how much I got? 4 by 3. So you can see 4 by 3. If you use reciprocal, what happens is that you will know the formula also. Okay, so try to do with the reciprocal only. Now what do you have? Number 5. Number 5 we have sec theta. So sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Yes, so cos theta is my 4 by 5. So it will be, so reciprocal means 5 by 4. Okay, so you can try this way also. Okay, number 6, what do you have? Cosec theta. So cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta is 3 by 5. That means this will be your 5 by 3. Hope so you have understood this. Yeah, reciprocal. If you haven't understood, please go through my part 1. Okay, nicely. You have to know that part 1 nicely, then only you'll understand this. Okay, so cot theta equals to sec reciprocal of tan. Sec is also reciprocal of cos, so opposite 5 by 4. Cosec is also 3 by 5. That means it will be 5 by 3. Or if you haven't understood this, you can do this way also. Sec theta formula is h by b. Okay, since it is reciprocal of cos theta, so you can do this way also. Now put the value and you will get the same only. Okay, hope so you are clear with this. Now let's solve another question. So here we have another question, and it's one of the important question. What you can see in this question is that from the given figure, so we have a figure, obviously it's right angle triangle. So you can see here the angles are different. So sin B, okay, cos C, sin B, sin C. Okay, so angles are different. So I'll show you in a very simple way. Okay, so what happens is that you can see here in this triangle. So from figure, what we can do is that, so solution, so what they are given, so given from figure you can see. So for this, first we will do for angle B. Okay, so for angle B, so I am taking for angle B. So as you know that hypotenuse never changes. Okay, so 90 degree opposite is your hypotenuse. So what is the value of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is my 10. So here we have hypotenuse equals to 10. So since I am taking angle B, so I am taking angle B. So angle B opposite will be your perpendicular. So I don't have perpendicular. So perpendicular will be my question mark. Okay, if this is your perpendicular, that means this 6 will be your base. So base is my 6. Hope so you are clear with this. In this first, what we are taking? We are taking angle B. So angle B opposite is my perpendicular, and this is my base. And hypotenuse never changes. Okay, so 90 degree opposite is your hypotenuse. So obviously what you have to use, you know, by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem. So now I think so you have been perfect with this. So what is the formula says? You can write like this also: p square plus b square equals to h square. Okay, it's same thing. Do we have the value of p? We don't have, so I'll write p square only plus b. B is how much? 6 square equals to h. H is my here 10 square. So this will be your p square plus 6 6 are 36. 10 square is 10 10s are 100. So this will be your p square equals to 100. So plus when you go that's it will be minus 36. So p square equals to 100 minus 36 is your 64. So p will be, therefore p is equal to under root 64. Yeah, so already I have told you in my previous chapter that what happens that whenever their under root comes, it comes plus also minus also, but in this we'll take only plus it. Why we are taking plus it? Because it's your length of a triangle. So length of a triangle cannot be negative, so it has to be positive. So what we got? P is equal to, we got it. Okay, hope so you're clear with this. So this was for angle B. Okay, now in my next, what we will do, okay, so perpendicular we got how much? What is the value? 8. So 8, 6 and 10. Now in this we'll write in this another for angle. Now we have to see C also, because B is also there, C is also there, for angle C. Okay, so for angle C, what you'll have? Hypotenuse. So if you'll see what will be hypotenuse, I have told you hypotenuse never changes, so hypotenuse it will be 10 only. Okay, now I need perpendicular and I need base. So for angle C, so this is my angle C, so opposite of this will be your perpendicular. So perpendicular is my 6 and the base will be left over, that is your 8. Okay, so this is your very important part. Okay, this is your very important part, what you have to understood. Okay, so what you have to understand this nicely. So for angle B, perpendicular is this, for angle C the perpendicular is this. So while doing numerical you'll be more clear. So now let's solve number 1 answer. So what we have, number 1, you can see number 1 we have sine B. So as you know the formula, some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. Yeah, so sine B means some people have. Okay, so whenever there is B, we'll use the angle B1. So perpendicular is how much? 8, and what is my hypotenuse? 10. Okay, so if you'll do this way, you'll not have any confusion. Okay, so now we'll get cancelled. We'll cancel this, so it will get cancelled by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now it will not get cancelled, so how much I got? 4 by 5. Okay, hope so you're clear with this. Number 2, what do you have? Number 2, we have cos of C. So you know the formula for cos of C? Curly brown hair. So curly brown hair. So now which one you will use? This one or this one? Since C is there, so we'll use this values. Okay, so what is the value of B? B is my 8. And what is the value of H? H is my 10. So again it will get cancelled. So you can see it will be 4 and this will be your 5. So how much I got? I got 4 by 5. So you can see both the values are same, but the angles are different. Okay, so that's why trigonometry gives the, already I have told you, relation between the angle and the sides. Okay, now number 3, what do you have? Number 3, so this question is very important. So what do you have? Number B, we have sine B plus sine C. Okay, now you can see here sine B plus sine C, both are sine, but the angles are different. So you know the formula is some people have only plus sine C, sine only, so this is also people have only. Okay, but what you will do, we'll use the value difference. So what you have? Sine B, that means we'll use the value this one. So P is how much? P is my 8 and H is how much? H is my 10. Okay, plus now what do you have here? Sine C. C means we'll use this value. So perpendicular is my 6 and what do you have? Hypotenuse is my 10. Okay, you don't cancel this. Okay, why? Because 10 10 is there, so 10 10 LCM will be 10 only, so it will be easy for you. So 10, so this will be 10, you will divide to this 10, 1 I'll get 1 into 8, it will be 8. You know the HCF, yeah, how to do LCM. What you'll do, this 10 you'll divide to this 10, 1s are 10, so that one you'll multiply off, so 1 6 are 6. Okay, so 8 plus 6 is your 14 upon 10. Now I think so it will get cancelled by 2 7s are and 2 5s are. So how much we got? We got 7 upon 5. Okay, so this is my answer. Next, what you have, you can see here, number 4. Number 4, last one we have, this looks complicated here. So what do you have? Sine B, then we have cos C plus sine C, then we have cos of B. Okay, so first obviously we have to put the formula. Some people have curly brown hair, or you can put directly this values also. Okay, you can put directly value. Sine B is almost 4 by 5, you can put directly 4 by 5. Okay, but I'll do this one. Okay, so cos C is my formula, curly brown hair plus sine C. Some people have dot curly brown hair. So if I'll show you this way, it will be easy for you, okay, to understand. So what happens is that now symbol will put the value. So some B is there. So first one is B. B means we'll use this. So P is my 8 upon H is my 10. Okay. So what do you have? C means we have to use this value. So what is B? B is my 8 and H is my 10. Plus, now what do you have? Sine C. So C means we have to go this table. So C means perpendicular. Perpendicular is my 6 upon 100 dot. Cos B, so angle is B, so we have to use this table. So what do you have? B is your 6 upon 10. Okay, now 8 8s are 64, 10 10s are 100. Okay, plus 6 6 are 36 and 10 10s are 100. We'll never cancel, we don't cancel. Okay, why? Because we are getting the same value, so LCM will be easy. So 100 and 100 LCM will be 100. Okay, now 100 divided 100 is 1, so 1 into 64 is 64, plus obviously this will be a 36, so this will be your 100 upon 100. So 100 both will get cancelled, so I'll get how much? 1. So I got finally answer 1. Okay, so hope so you are clear with this. So my dear student, please practice this sum one more time. Okay, this is one of the very important, and always try to do this way only for angle B and for angle C. Make the table. Okay, it will be easy. Okay, so please follow us, and I'll show you the simple this type of trick, so which makes your mathematics easy. Okay, so till then, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.